Okay, so when I learned this tip last year, it was a game changer for me, and I've been trying to share it out with several people. In case you haven't heard it, I wanted to show it to you now. So notice at the top of my screen, that's where my bookmarks bar would be, and this is it, but you're going to notice that mine looks different than probably how it used to look or how yours might look. I used to have a ton of items in here. I had to go over to the side and I had giant lists down the side as well. Here is a hack that I know you're going to love. So over here on that bookmarks bar, you can actually right click and you can create a folder. Now I know what you're thinking right now. Why in the world would I need a folder for this? What's the benefit? First off, I just want to demonstrate here. So I'm going to just put test just so you can see what happens when I add a folder. Anytime I want to add something into it, I'm just going to simply open up that URL and I'm going to demonstrate with this file. And if I want to add this into that bookmark folder, I just drag the URL and I let go, and now it's inside of that folder. Okay? So now that you know how to do it, you've seen it, but you're probably still going, I just don't get it. Why would I want to do this? Well, every morning when you come in to your computer, there's always going to be common things that you open up every morning. I have it as well. Notice that I have a folder over here that says good morning. So right now I've got like my email, my Google Drive. I've got, the different PD documents that I've got for Skyward, Canvas, and Google Classroom. If I need to help out teachers in the morning, then I need that. Here is the game-changing piece of this. If I already have all of that in here, then literally, and I'm just going to show you what this would look like, because I'm going to close out Chrome completely. So once I go back into Chrome, I'm pretending like it's the beginning of the day. I come out here. When I right-click on that folder that says Good Morning, notice the option that I get, Open All 5 tabs. So now, instead of me going over, what I used to do is go over to the waffle and then individually open those things. Instead of me having to do that, all of those tabs are loading in the background. So easily I've got what I need for Skyward, Canvas, Google Classroom, my Google Drive is loading, and my email. Now I'm going to show you another way that I've used this, not just in the morning. Over the summer, I had to help with our new hires, and I knew that I was not going to be doing this presentation, obviously, in my office. I was going to be out and about. Because I wanted to be able to get into the location and start my presentation as soon as I got there, once I logged into Google, again, instead of me going over to the waffle and trying to find everything quickly, I just very quickly made a folder that says new hires. And when I got ready to do that PD, then I went out there. I'm going to close these out. I went out there to the new hire one and I hit open all 3. And so now if I know that my, if my training's for Canvas hires, I've got it right here. If I need it for new hires and using Google Classroom, I've got that document easily there for me as well. So I don't know about you, but as you can tell, I've gotten a little addicted with my folders and how I can organize things.